Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset a Dreame L10S PRO. And to do this, first we'll need to open the cover from the top of our device. Then you can see the reset button right here next to the Wi-Fi sign. Take something very thin, in this case I'm using a paper clip, and simply stick it inside and click on the button. Hold it until you hear the voice prompt that confirms that the factory reset began.
Restoring to factory settings.
And the next thing we can do is move to the Xiaomi Home app. If you already paired your device, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and then go for delete device, confirm it, and it should be restored to factory settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.